Some of the most exciting projects we get to do are where we get to strip a car right back to its bare shell. This is Tanya's Honda CRX. She's owned it since 1993, and we were lucky enough to do this full rotisserie restoration. We started off by hand making lots of the panels that we couldn't buy and then painting it, but one area at a time, the inside, the engine bay, and then finally the body of the car. It looked amazing. Once it's done, we can then paint all the panels. Being able to paint everything on top of brand new metal makes it come out looking factory fresh. Tanya also gave us a donor car, an old rusty Honda that would never make it back onto the road, so we could use parts like the lights and the fixings. We reconditioned the engine and got that back into the newly painted engine bay. Right through the process, Tanya gave us input on the car and we gave her feedback about things that she might want to improve. One of the great days on projects like this is when the cars finally drive under their own steam. It's pretty emotional for everybody. When you get to this stage, you're on the home straight, but that last 10% is actually really hard work too, especially for a car that's been completely to pieces, because you've got lots of snagging to work through. Once the car's finally back together, it's time to do a decent amount of road testing. Get the car out, run it through the first few 100 miles, make sure everything's okay, readjust it and set it all up. One thing with this little Honda though is it always looked amazing. The black paint really did pop. Once we're happy with the way that the car runs, it's the final step, and that's to reveal it for Tanya. A really exciting day for everyone. Months of hard work have gone into it. We really were so pleased with the car, and it was really rewarding to see that Tanya loved it just as much as we did. Having owned the car so long, it really had become a part of the family.